Hey guys, Room Picker here for a lock picking video, and today I got another challenge lock for you. This one is Split P by Capune, and it is pinned on 6/6/15, or no, it's 19. Sorry, and he made it as of a Yale Yale cylinder. So let's go ahead and put this in here. Or maybe it'll fit in this other. No, it's too big for that. So let's go in this one. And I think 40 thousandths top of the keyway. 18,000 standard and hook 7. This is 50 thousandths. We want 40 thousandths. Whoop. Gutting wrench. All right, let's zoom in. Zoom in and adjust this. There we go. There we go. Okay. I'm going to go counterclockwise. A little bit of false set. Good clicks there. Oh, that's a good click. This is back pin. That was a good click. Like that. Alright, I think what's holding this up? Oh, there we go. Got it open. Alright, zoom out. Let's take this out of the thing. No victory drink today. Sadly, I didn't have time to stop at the store. Let's take a look at this key. Yeah, so we got a lot of high cuts on this Yale key. It's one of the stranger Yale keys. I've never seen a square type one. Key works good left, but going right, it seems to snag quite a fair amount. Let's drop this down just a little bit. There we go. clip off. Key in here. Let's get the shim. Alright. Shim is in. Got a follower. And just that easy. Okay, and we have countermilling in all the chambers. Or undercuts, or whatever you want to call it officially. Standard on 1, standard on 2. We got a spool top on 3, standard on 4, standard on 5, and a standard on 6. Let's take this shim out. Got a spool on 1, standard on 2, we got very interesting, like gin bottle almost on 3. Standard on 4. We got a barrel on 5. We got a standard on 6. And let's take a look. Do we have any mods to this? No mods done to the Bible. So we just have countermilling done to the chamber, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 changes, so this counts. So let's go ahead and take a look. So you can see we got that really cool looking pin on 3. We got that barrel on 5. Spool on 1, and that single serration on 3. And where did this come from? Am I missing a spring? No, I have it in the wrong spot, that's why. There we go. Sorry about that. And then you can see we got that countermilling on all the chambers there. So that is Split P by Chris Capune. Very fun challenge lock. If you guys like this content, like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.